Hi, this is Ted Aguhab from Alien Worlds. I'll be discussing the rise of contests and the importance and significance of these contests because they are literally moving the market and creating a whole new segment or a new, not really a new paradigm, but something new and fresh for the competitors in the world of Alien Worlds and miners. So I'm going to be starting looking at the Good Vibes mining website. And this website is probably the most popular contest website and probably the only one that has leaderboards. So coming up is a team event which I'm going to be participating in tomorrow and Monday. And the Street Fighter event I just completed and placed second in the leaderboards. And as you can see here, let me set up the leaderboard here. On the leaderboard, I placed second overall. My WAM address is xbeku.wam right here. The second place finisher wasn't a second place finisher because he turns out he was a bot. So he basically stopped playing because they turned off his notifications or whatever, and I ended up placing second in the contest. And I was using the following setup. I was using this is my Alien Worlds account. What you're about to see is probably the best possible contest rig in the entire game. And I didn't invest a lot of money because I've been in this game for a long time, and my cards basically rocketed to almost $15,000 to $20,000 in value. I started out with $300 in Alien Worlds in 2 months. The story is long, but to make a long story short, my cards are extremely valuable, and I got lucky a lot, but it wasn't just pure luck, but I ended up doing really well in the past 2 months. So my contest rig was basically two lucky drills shined. So a shined card is basically four cards shined and combined into one, which makes it a gold. And the stats move up dramatically, 20 to 30% dramatically from their original base card. And Lucky Drill went from 160 seconds to 150 seconds, and the luck went from 1 to 1.5. But this is probably the best NFT card in the game, and I have it shined. It's very expensive. It's about $300, and I shined it, and I can probably sell it for maybe 3 or 4 thousand a piece. And in the middle was a AI Excavator, probably the best NFT slash TLM producer in the game. I have two of them. There's only two in the world. I have first mint and second mint, and I can probably get maybe as high as 10,000 a piece. I'm not going to be selling these cards because I'm winning contests, and I've paid very little for them, so it's not like I need to sell them. And my new rig is going to be this is a secret that no one really knows about yet. But when you start at a contest, you want to have the most TLM, and if you have three quark separators, the long term tool, which is 4,500 seconds, I can charge this up for 5 hours before the contest starts. And then the contest I'll be opening up with 85 to 100 TLM, and my lead will be so gigantic. And then the 4 hour event, they will not be able to catch me. And I have three RD9000 excavators, which are the best epic tool, and it's close to it's a top three TLM producer. And these three RD9000 excavators from the last event placed first. So I'll be using these for team events, and I'll be sneaking up on people with quarks. Uh, so that's basically my strategy when it comes to the contest, and I can make an extra $20 a day just by competing in the event, which is pretty good. Plus my TLM, plus whatever NFTs I get, and it generates a good income. I mean, it's not hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it's still pretty good. The contests have created a market which has basically exploded in value. I'll be starting off with, let me see which one's first. Lucky Drill. Okay. The highest price in the past couple days was $311. And as you can see, before the contest 5 days ago, the lowest price we sold about 25 Lucky Drills on atomic assets. But the lowest price, as you can see with Lucky Drill, was as low as let's see, 58, about $58. That was 5 days ago, and then at the end of the contest, it exploded to $300, as you can see right here. These events are causing a large influx of miners and new players and people hearing about how their cards can produce all this income, and the market is exploding. So another one is RD9000. So five to 7 days ago, when the contest started, it was about $29, and the highest price over the past couple of days since the contest ended is about, let's see, I believe it was about 65, 67. This is atomic assets. Yeah, you can see the prices here. Oh yeah, let's see. The highest price was about $63, or yeah, about $63. So since the event, RD9000 doubled in value, and the biggest thing that's done well are lands, because lands are required for events because you basically get in with passive income. These contests, people who run the contests getting passive income from these lands. And as you can see, Icy Desert started at $465 a few days ago and hit as high as, I believe, 800. Let me see. Close to $800. Yeah, 773 was the high. This is a general trend over the past 5 days as the contests have been running. And since this one website has a leaderboard, people will see these. For example, you click on a one, you can see what cards I was playing. I was playing the AI Excavator. That's one of them. So people are clicking on this leaderboard and they're seeing these mining setups, and they're going out and they're buying them, those and lands. So this is the next step in a big move of this game, and this game is getting very powerful and very popular really quickly. I'm glad to be a part of it. Thank you.